Jay and the Rainbow Slide. One morning, Jay woke up and saw a tiny sparkle outside his window. He rubbed his eyes and looked again. Wow! A colorful rainbow was touching the ground right in his yard. Jay ran outside with a big smile. "Hello, Rainbow," he shouted. The rainbow wiggled and shimmered. Then it magically transformed into a giant glowing slide. "Slide on me, Jay," a voice giggled from the colors. Jay didn't need to be asked twice. He scrambled up to the very top. He took a deep breath and whoosh! Down he went on the bright red stripe. He landed softly at the bottom. A cute red ladybug waved a tiny leg. "Hi, Jay." "That was fun," chirped Lulu the ladybug. Jay climbed back up and slid again. Whoosh! This time on the orange stripe. At the bottom, a friendly fox gave him a gentle high five with his paw. "Great slide," said Flicker the fox. Next up, whoosh! Down the sunny yellow stripe. A tiny yellow duckling flapped its wings in a puddle of sunshine. "Welcome," quacked Pippin the duck. Then came green. Jay zoomed down the grassy-colored stripe and met a baby turtle munching on a big green leaf. "Yummy," said Sheldon the turtle. Jay slid down the cool blue stripe next. A little blue whale sprayed a gentle mist of water upwards. Psh! Jay giggled as tiny droplets landed on his nose. "Hello?" bubbled Waverly the whale. Finally, the violet stripe. Whoosh! At the bottom, a beautiful purple butterfly danced in circles around his head. "You're a wonderful slider," fluttered Iris the butterfly. After the last slide, Jay saw a shiny pot waiting for him. It wasn't filled with gold, but with shimmering, magical bubbles. They floated everywhere, big ones, tiny ones, and sparkly rainbow ones. The rainbow slide began to glow even brighter. "Thank you for playing with all my colors, Jay," its gentle voice said. Jay laughed and popped the biggest bubble. "Thank you, Rainbow." The slide sparkled and gently lifted back into the sky, becoming a beautiful rainbow once more. Jay waved until it was just a twinkle. "See you again, magical rainbow," he whispered,